to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Hello and welcome. Greetings, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Market Recap for Monday, October the 12th. I have to pinch myself every time I say that. Yeah, it's October the 12th, 2020. So we are going to take a look at what's happened in the markets today. And the screen we are looking at is a snapshot from Finviz. A map of all of the sectors, and we see a lot of green, don't we? So today was one of those days. If you were not with us in the pre-markets, where as we do every morning, easy for me to say, we took a look and gave you some hints about what we could see since the market gapped up quite a bit this morning, right? So that's a momentum carried on. So yeah, I'm taking the opportunity on here if you were not with us in the pre-market, so you missed out. So why don't you do just one simple action right now? Subscribe, and you will make sure that you will not miss the notification from YouTube on the alerts. Whenever we post new content, we have over 200 videos of educational video, you will be getting the alert. More importantly, you will be getting, let's say, free trades on every morning when you are to join us. And lastly, maybe for some people more importantly, we are still holding our contest all the way to the end of 2020. Each month, new subscribers for that month are entered into a random draw where we pick one lucky winner who will come and trade with us with full access to our Discord channel for free, my friend. Full access to our trade alerts. Oh boy, the trade alerts. You don't want to know what the trade alerts. Maybe I'm going to give you a hint what the trade alert did on Monday, just after one day. Yeah. And for me, what I really think its value here at Successful Trading, the one-on-one coaching that all the subscribers they have on here for free as part of the subscription. So if we just gave you 4 reasons to subscribe, my friends, I will definitely do that. So, but if you are not doing that, maybe you will catch up on another episode where we will be seeing that, oh, maybe you missed out. So I can read a comment on here from a trader. Let's say a trader in our Discord room today. What did he say? He said, the comments, we were talking about something else. We're giving ourselves up for earnings. So that's something that's big. If you don't know how to trade earnings, you're still gambling. Another reasons. Man, 5 reasons so far to join Successful Tradings. So, the trader said, the alerts are on spot today, by the way. Because it's like telling a lady, like, you look great tonight. I mean, when you tell a lady like that, what does that mean? It means that usually she doesn't look great. No, that's a no problem. So when somebody tells me the alerts are on spot today, so are they not usually on spot? There's nothing new. So yeah, so the text definitely moved greatly today, led by none other than Apple, because Apple, for our traders, they were all over that one, my friend. Because we believe in preparation here. Whatever happened, it's all. So for us over the weekend, we released this video where we tell traders pretty much what to expect. Yeah, our alerts are ahead of time. We don't send alert when the stocks start moving. Our AI knows. The Successful Trading AI gave us alert a week ahead of time. Yes, believe it or not. So we talked about Saturday in the Saturday video about this consolidation here that has been going on. So this gap up this morning wasn't a surprise to us, and the resulting move intraday of $5 was just beautiful. So we made money on it. We're still holding some positions because we believe that when a stock does this, outside of, I mean, it may take maybe 2 days, right? But we believe that out of this consolidation, if I can draw it again, that has been my challenge here. So if you come here, please do not tease me on my inability, my lack of drawing ability. You see, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, so seriously, Telex, seriously, you're gonna learn to draw one of these days. So, okay, see, this, how many days of consolidation is this? September 4th all the way to this past Friday. So finally, now they mean business. Now they mean business. All of that, they mean business. My friend, what's the limit? The high, well, last time we struggled around this area here. So we are talking 127. Yeah. So let's look for 127 tomorrow, 127. If it can burst above that, that will be a zone where we will be potentially taking profits. I kid you not. If it gaps up more than that 128, we will be taking profits as well. And then sitting chilly until the end of the week to say, hey, if we can set up some type of low to later on the week for it to pop maybe to 130 if they so elect. So because typically what we expect out of here really from a quantitative analysis, we expect a gap up tomorrow, folks. Could I be bold and say how many dollars? Oh boy, so a couple of dollars will be nice. It's not wishful thinking. Let's see what they do. So 127. So yeah, the resistance today was at 125 or so. So we have seen this in the past, right? So on this day, August 21st, the high of the day was 124.87. And then the next day they open 128. Bam. I will take 128.78 tomorrow. We're trading with the 125 calls. They were worth like $3 at the high of the day. They finished like 272. So do I have the chart for them? No. Do we still have? I don't know if we still have our. Yeah, we do still have it open. So why don't we do that? Show the good people, the chart of the option, because that's what's for us. We spend the time on. So where is it? So we go to options, and this here we do that. So 125 calls. These are they, and we'll teach you. Well, should you decide to sign up, as we said, right, for successful trading, we will teach you how to carry an overnight position. Because when you hear us say, "Oh, we're carrying an overnight," yeah, this is buggy. Don't mind this. This is where we close. So the bid was at this level. So this is the run today. Yeah. So let's say if you were here in the morning, yeah. It's not quite qualified for one of our Gangster trade, but I mean you have the time for it to settle and for it to give you the direction. Nice consolidation here after popping the high, then post new high of the day. There were so many entries you could have gotten into. So at the end of the day here, obviously, because look at how overbought is also right. The overbought condition above. What's my this is my relative strength index here. So my limit, my line is at 70. So, but this stock, when the stock is powerful, it was able to stay above 85 for this 15-minute, folks, for the longest of time. If I switch to a 5-minute one, yeah, in and out, but for the most part, yeah. So that was not bad at all. So looking forward to more of that. So let's take a look at SPY and QQQ. Well, the Qs definitely, right? Well, here's another stock. We won't talk about it today. Let's maybe tomorrow. It didn't do much, but here are the Qs. Obviously, gap up was they gained over 3%. QQQ, how much did QQQ gain at one point here today? Yeah, 3.09%. In pre-market was just 2% or thereabout, but it gave up some gain. It's more than that. This thing, is this true? They printed 297. Oh my! I was Yeah. Yep, 297.46. So from here from our usual setup, so for our subscribers, the first high of the day here was 291.36. So we go long when it closes above that on 15 minutes above VWAP, and then from there posting higher highs all day long. So this, what time was this? What time of the day this occurred? 10:45 Eastern. So let's say an hour and 15 minutes after the opening of the session. Patience, data decay takes over a little bit, options get cheaper, and then you go long after posting your high of the day. And then just drink milk. This is just milk drinking for the entire day. I say drinking milk is supposed to be easy, I suppose, like if we are cats, yeah? So same type of pattern on here. It's right. I mean, this profit taken at the end of the year, I had to expect them, right? They were all stretched for a bit. So that's that. So the next thing we can talk about here is overview of earnings. So earnings start tomorrow. So what do we have in store? So if we are to take a look at, so for me inside of my Power E-Trade, this is how I go about doing that. So if you are just catching it now, you just join, I don't know, at this moment of the video, this is the daily market recap for October the 12th. We are going through which that's what we traded today and what moved the market today. So the calendar for tomorrow: Citibank in pre-market, Delta, and J&J, JP Morgan. I will be interested in J&J tomorrow, to be honest with you. Don't ask me why. Maybe if you ask me why, I could tell you that what I will be looking for. Do I have it open? Yes. Here's our quant analysis. So for us, this is what we use to somehow prepare ourselves. So our traders, most of them got it today. So J&J, this thing, we even have a table of content, don't we? So J&J is in alphabetical order, or should it be? I'm not sure that do I see J&J on here in this fancy table of content? Maybe not. So I know they are in alphabetical order. So, or I can just do Control V and search. Yeah. Let's see if we have J&J here. If not, well, we can request it, or we will just see what it does in pre-market. Okay, so J is supposed to be after I. So this is JD, this is JD.com, this is Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Okay, so from here, it doesn't show us really that much movement, right? This is the movement, let's say, on the call side after earnings. So last year at this time, October 15, it gapped, the delta was 1.74%, but the move wasn't really that much. So hasn't been moving that much, but there's just something about that chart. Yeah. Do you know the song? That's when I say there's something about. No, maybe not. Okay, that's a story for another day here. So let's focus on here. Okay, so it printed 153 and retreated $1 at the end. My goodness, look at this. This is the daily chart, folks. Look at what this thing has been doing. Not much. Is it pop-up time, folks? This year is like since April. Stock in a range 156, 144. Yeah, I mean, yeah, everybody during well, there is this time here sloping down a little bit. I think that was the trials and everything else. Yeah. Isn't it time this stock popped? Or did something new? I'm saying popped, I'm just saying moving, because this box here is like how long can you go? How long can it stay like this? So if it moved tomorrow in pre-market, folks, you heard it first on this daily pre-market analysis on October the 12th, 2020. Yeah, we are looking forward to it with the rest of the bank tomorrow. So we invite you to come in our pre-market show. How to do that without any point of failures? Please subscribe to our channel. Just hit the subscribe button, and the session are already scheduled, I kid you not. So the moment you subscribe, I think you will automatically get the notification for the entire week. Let me show you. Yeah, that's well, for once, I'm prepared for this week, folks. So let's see. What's the schedule? This is already the upcoming, how do they call it? Yeah, upcoming stream. So for Tuesday, October the 3rd, this is it here. October the 14th, October the 15th, October the 16th. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you. Have a great evening. Have a great afternoon. Have a great morning wherever you are watching from. And we catch you on the next episode of this daily market recap. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome